Hello. In this video, I'm going to walk you through certain commands. Those will be useful for you when you need to kill your program. So, so for that, what I've done is that I have opened Ubuntu in, but with multiple tabs. So you'll see that here I have opened VI. Here it is just the command prompt, nothing here, nothing here. So how do you do that? You can simply click on this arrow, and then if you say Ubuntu, then it will open another fifth tab, for example. So if you do pwd here, then it is in home money. If you do pwd here, it is home money c test. So everywhere it could be in a different folder altogether. You don't have to be in the same folder. So the purpose of this is that you can very easily run some certain commands. For example, I have opened vi editor here, but whereas here I'll simply do let me do history here. Okay, if I do history, you'll see that there are a lot of commands that I'm running here. So in the last video you saw that you can run a command and then semicolon, and then this namaste is the output binary. So I'm just running that output binary after that. So in single thing you can do that, right? So here I can run that command from here. I don't have to get out of the vi from here, then find this command and then run here. I can have it handy right here. Okay, but I'm not going to run that right now. I'll just quickly walk you through this. You will see that this is an infinite loop, right? For I equal to 0, I greater than -1, I'm doing I plus plus. So this loop is never going to break, right? So this is an infinite loop, and there's a reason why I'm going to show you this. So like there are always programs that are running in the background. So you can call them as background processes, you can call them as service, you can call them as servers or whatever you like. But for the purpose of this thing, the reason I wanted to show you this is if you do ps minus ef, then it will list all such processes that are running, right? So if I enter here, then you see that there are quite a few processes running. In fact, if you do ps minus ef pipe and then grep pi, for example, then it will, what it will do is it will take the list of all the processes which was here. Then it will filter, like grep is like a filter actually. It will filter and show only the processes with name vi in it. So I press enter here, then you'll see that it shows vi hello.c. Now let me try to get out of this. If I get out of this, and if I run this thing again, right, then you'll see now it shows only one process. So this, it kind of catches this grep by itself, one more time. So you have to ignore wherever it says grep vi, right? But you'll see that this vi hello.c is gone. Again, let me go back here and open vi hello.c. If I come back here, not here, here, and then if I say ps minus a pipe grep vi, then now again this vi hello.c is back. So you'll see that there are processes running in the background. Okay, now if I compile and run this program, let me run this. So it printed hello.world once, but it's not never going to get out of this, right? Okay, finally I think it looks like it did something. It got tired and got out. But let me probably, like maybe Linux had some kind of a check where it cannot run like more than certain number of times, and that's probably why it tried to run it. But let me run it one more time. Okay, I hope it doesn't get out like quickly. Now if I do Ctrl Z, right? Oops, sorry. If I do Control Z immediately, it says stopped, but it has not really stopped it. If I go here, if I grep for Namaste this time, right? So you'll see that this process is still running, 693, right? Okay, so let me do one more time. Yeah, it is still running. So Control Z is not really going to kill it. It is just going to send it in the background. Now what I'm going to do is kill. You have to use this command very carefully. Kill -9 and then 693. 693 and then enter, right? Okay, let's see what happened here. Okay, yeah, it says here if I press enter, it said killed. Okay, now let's see if ps minus ef shows it. ps minus ef namaste, no, then it is not showing it. It is just showing this particular grep command, right? Okay, now let's try the same thing with Control C. So last time what we did is Control Z. So this time what we'll do is we'll try to run it with kill it with Control C and see if there is any difference. Okay, enter. Now I'm doing Control C. Okay, now let's go back here and see if I find that PS minus EF grape namaste, right? So this time it is not there. So Control C is the way to kill it and not Control Z. Okay, thank you. Bye.